Work now and going home to do Thanksgiving. I'm so excited. I already got some great comments on my last vlog. I had some of my friends text me and say how much they love it, and I think I'm doing something right, maybe? I don't know. I'm really hoping that I can reach my goals in 2019, and I'm gonna do a video about all of my goals because I have a lot, and it's a little scary sharing your goals with people. I have a fear that if I don't reach my goals that I tell people about. That's why I don't tell people about a lot of my goals, because if I don't reach them, then I feel like a failure. So telling people about my goals is really scary, but I want to do a video on them so that I have something to hold me accountable for my goals. And I think that's what is good about YouTube for me, is because it holds me accountable for the things that I say. Okay, that got way deeper than I expected. I'll see you guys later.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
Good morning, guys. I am super late today. It is Monday, December 17th. I didn't go to bed very early. Didn't wake up very early. I'm on my way to school. I am working today. Last night I had my family Thanksgiving with our other family friend who came over. It was great. I have all my friends' Christmas presents back there. I love giving gifts. Just film their reactions to opening them. I still have not figured out what to get for Stephanie, and she knows this. Like I've told her, I was like, I have no idea what to get for you. I'll see you guys at school.
Stickers. Ooh, is this a journal? Yeah. I've been looking at getting a journal because I like to journal.
I know you like journaling and I know you like writing, so I got you.
Thank you. I did the face thing I did to Dom like to you.
What is this? It's scrub.
And then the essential oils you wanted.
I'm gonna smell it.
This actually smells really good.
I know. For my portfolio, I want something that like captures your personality. Being goofy is part of like something that like girls are sometimes told not to do. But you're very good at being goofy, but I still want you to like. I know.
Jingle bell time, dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
Santa just walked in. Okay, you're gonna make me look like a fool because I can't open it. I hope there's an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in here. Oh, is it a candle? Look at his.
Oh God.
That's just what I've always wanted.
Marshmallow treats. Becca, this is great.
Hey vlog. So I'm gonna do a taste test of some of the Christmas goods that Becca got me for Christmas. Reindeer marshmallow treat. I'm kind of nervous about it because I don't know what a marshmallow treat is.
Wait, where is? Oh.
Why is
I'm
it
really...
pink? It doesn't taste like marshmallow. It tastes like, well, it does. It tastes like marshmallow cough medicine.
Like
I mean, it's not the
drops?
worst
That
thing.
sounds like...
It's just like weird. Like I just don't like. I don't know what to make of it. You know
That's
what I mean?
funny.
I'm excited to try the coal. Nice
too.
geometric shape.
They're really good.
See the geometric shape?
Delicious.
So what
Are
my
they just
first
normal
graders fall for?
Okay, let's try some coal, everyone. Okay, coal. Ready?
Okay, let me pull up Photoshop real quick.
Ow.
What?
Now we're gonna try the Warheads candy cane because I'm in the mood for something
It's Warheads?
sour. Why can't I open this?
When you split the middle term for factor, use it.
We're getting so much good footage of Mr. A.
Thanks, Becca.
I'm leaving school now. Oh my god, it's so bright. I probably look so bad in this clip. I have to pee so bad. I'll talk to you later, okay, bye. Okay, so I'm leaving the house now to go to work. Okay, now that the sun's decided to ruin my shot, I think I'll just talk to you guys later. Maybe I'll talk to you while I'm at the gym. We'll see. We'll see if I'm embarrassed. Okay, bye. I've left work. I worked out for a little bit after. I'm glad that I worked out. I might just come to the gym tomorrow, honestly. Good morning. It's Tuesday. I really don't feel like myself today. I'm gonna go to the gym after school. I don't have work today. I do need to get gas, but I think that's all my plans for the day. Okay, well, I'll see you guys at school because I'm not feeling it right now. I look bald as because my hair is up. I can't get it to open. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. It says I'm out of gas, like physical, no more gas in the tank. But it says I have 30 miles to empty. Hopefully we don't stop on the side of the road. As you can tell in these clips, I'm a bit happier and a little bit perkier than the last clips. I'm not as existential. You've seen enough of me for now. I'll see you later. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm kind of having like a mild freak out. I'm very, very close to the gas station, but I basically have no gas in the car right now, and so I'm literally running on fumes. But it's stressful because I had gas when I left the house.
It says I'm out of gas, like physical, no more gas in the tank. But it says I have 30 miles to empty.
So it shouldn't be at ... which is less than 0, maybe? I don't really know. So hopefully I get there before I like run out of fumes to drive on, I guess. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday, December 19th. I'm on my way to school. I have a Kuna meeting this morning. I probably should fill you in on what those are. So for KOA and Kuna, I talked about KOA a little bit in the beginning of my first Vlogmas. Not what it was, just that I was coming back from it. So it's a mock Kentucky government kind of conference where we debate bills. Kuna's kind of similar in the fact that it's a United Nations mock government. At Kuna, we also have things like Global Village, which we make a booth representing the country we represent. We represent a country. We dress in native attire. There is global stage where you can perform a dance, a song, a skit, things to represent your country. There's a huge cultural aspect to it. So Kuna was the first one I ever attended when I was in 6th grade. I didn't go to KOA that year because I didn't know it existed, and I've been going since. However, this is my last Kuna. It's a program that I'm gonna miss dearly. I'm going to a meeting for that this morning because we have lots of meetings to prepare for our global village, our global stage, our costumes, our resolutions, the roles everybody will be. Anyway, that's a tiny overview of what KY and Kuna is. As you can tell, my voice sounds terrible. My throat hurts so badly. I've just pulled up to school now. I'm gonna park and then go to the meeting, and I will check back in with you guys later. Okay, I'm leaving now. I'm going home. Thankfully, I did fill up on gas in time last night. My tank is full now, thankfully. I apologize that my week's been so boring. It's been because, it's like, midterms week, and there's not a lot going on right now. I'll see you guys later. Maybe I'll film a clip at the dentist. Hello, it is nearing 2 o'clock. I am going to the dentist right now. I hate the dentist because nearly everything is mint, and I hate mint. But my dentist is super nice, and he lets me bring my own toothpaste, which is from England. I know, I'm a brat. But it's Tesco strawberry ice cream flavor. I've been using this since I was like 7. It's discontinued, but I've had such a stockpile of it that hasn't affected me yet. Okay, see ya. Okay, so I'm about to leave the dentist and go to Kroger. It was very successful. He said I got good teeth. So I'll see you guys later. Not my best look right now. Anyway, I'm leaving the gym, eating a cheese stick. Because of the dentist, my teeth, it never does this, but I guess he scraped so hard. My teeth really hurt. Okay, I'm going home. I'll talk to you guys later. Good morning. It's 8:20. I'm leaving earlier than usual, but not that much because of this one.
I'm sorry, I want to get to my locker before midterms.
Hey, it's Nicole right in front of us. The vlog will know who Nicole is. Nicole,
See, I
you're
watch
in
your
front
vlogs.
of me. Today's Thursday. It's PJ day. I'm wearing PJs.
I'm not. I don't like PJ Day.
It's also 5 days to Christmas, so like that's exciting. Anyway, I guess that's all. Is there anything else you want to say?
No?
Okay, I'll see you guys later.
This is what Profe does. I love vlogging, but only for you. This is Cammy, my camera.
Okay, so I'm about to leave school and go home. Overall, not terrible. I took a test in math, and then tomorrow I've got one more test. And then I'm home free for the rest of the year, and I've got 2 weeks off school, and then I come back and we start the process all over again. I'm really sorry that this week's vlog is not the most interesting. I think next week is going to be my last week for Vlogmas. I'm not going to go through New Year's. I'm just going to go through the week that Christmas is. Okay, so I'm about to leave to go to Shogun. I'm meeting up with Jenny and Maddie, who you saw in clips of my Thanksgiving with my family. So I will see you there. Smile. Say hey, Jenny. Good morning, guys. It is Friday, December 21st. There is 4 days until Christmas, and I'm so excited. I've never been more in the Christmas spirit, I don't think. I'm on my way to school. I'm a little late like usual, but is that new? No. Today is Ugly Sweater Day. I've got this sweater on, which I actually really like this sweater. And then I've got an ugly sweater skirt on. Today my makeup is also super Christmassy like yesterday. I've got my classic Christmas red lip. I've got Christmas tree eyes. I don't know. I think it's fun. I thought it was really cute. I did it pretty quickly too. I only had like 25 minutes to do my makeup this morning, so I'm pretty happy with the result. I am wearing falsies again. Also, sorry for sounding so disgusting and sniffing like every 4 seconds. I am still quite sick. See you later.
It's not much, but I thought it was really funny.
Oh gosh, okay. Tyler gave me this and this. My favorite. Oh. I can't. I can't smell.
The other one is
That smells
better.
like Smarties.
I know. I thought it smelled really good.
I
don't
love
know
that.
how pretty.
It's got a little bow.
I haven't opened yours yet.
You know what
Dino fish.
That's a tiny dinosaur in it.
It's not a dinosaur.
One, like
I've
the
tried that
actual
one, yeah.
tube, and I really like it.
She thinks that my skin's gross.
Oh, I don't. Do you like gummies?
I love
like
gummies. Caitlin, you're so cute. Look how cutely this is wrapped. Oh, cute! That's so cute.
Look at it.
YouTube video ideas.
You're so sweet. All of you, thank you.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Bye, vlog.
Love you.
See you next year.
This is me walking out for the last time of the year. I'm getting in the car, it's cold. Last day for the year. I'm really excited for break, honestly. I'm just getting ready to go home. The only plans I have tonight are to hang out with Stephanie. We're not really sure what we're doing. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hello, I'm going to hang out with Stephanie. Oh, cute. We're standing in front of the lights.
It's fine.
It's fine.
We're fine. Good morning. Good night.
Thank you guys so much for watching. That is the end of this week's vlog. It was a really good week and I had so much fun with my friends. And now I'm ready to enjoy my break and just relax. Actually, I'm going to work. So yeah, like this video, subscribe, click the bell if you want to get notified when I upload. Let me know in the comments down below what you're most excited for over break. And if you don't have a break, what is your New Year's resolution? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is